Welcome to this complete skincare cleaning guide. In this session, we will walk through every step of proper skin cleansing, from preparation to post-care. This routine is designed to help keep the skin clean, balanced, calm, and healthy, while reducing dirt, oil buildup, clogged pores, blackheads, acne, and irritation. This is a gentle educational guide, suitable for daily skincare, professional facials, and deep cleansing routines. Follow each step slowly and mindfully for best results. Step 1. Understanding your skin. Before touching the skin, it's important to understand what type of skin you have. Skin types include oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, sensitive skin, normal skin. Each skin type reacts differently to products and pressure. Knowing your skin helps prevent irritation, redness, and breakouts. Step 2. Create a clean environment. Always start in a clean space. Make sure the room is dust-free. Use clean towels. Sanitize tools if any are used. Keep hair tied back. A clean environment protects the skin from bacteria and infection. Step 3. Wash your hands thoroughly. Before touching the face, wash hands with soap and warm water. Clean under nails. Dry hands with a clean towel. Hands carry bacteria that can cause acne and inflammation. Step 4. Remove makeup and surface dirt. If makeup or sunscreen is present, use a gentle makeup remover or cleansing oil. Massage softly in circular motions. Avoid rubbing or pulling the skin. This step removes surface-level impurities. Step 5. Choose the right cleanser. Select a cleanser suitable for your skin type. Gel cleansers for oily skin, cream cleansers for dry skin, foam cleansers for combination skin, fragrance-free cleansers for sensitive skin. Never use harsh soaps meant for the body. Step 6. Wet the face with lukewarm water. Use lukewarm water, not hot or cold. Hot water strips natural oils. Cold water does not cleanse effectively. Lukewarm water opens pores gently and prepares skin for cleansing. Step 7. Apply cleanser gently. Take a small amount of cleanser, apply to fingertips, massage gently onto the face, use circular motions, avoid aggressive pressure. Gentle cleansing protects the skin barrier. Step 8. Clean the T-zone carefully. Focus on forehead, nose, chin. These areas produce more oil and collect dirt easily. Step 9. Clean the cheeks and jawline. Use lighter pressure on cheeks. Skin is thinner and more sensitive. Massage upward and outward. Clean along the jawline where buildup often hides. Step 10. Clean around the nose. The nose area is prone to blackheads, whiteheads, sebum buildup. Massage slowly using small circular movements. Step 11. Avoid the eye area. The skin around the eyes is delicate. Do not scrub. Use minimal product. Pat gently if needed. Eye irritation can cause wrinkles and redness. Step 12. Rinse thoroughly. Rinse off cleanser completely. No residue should remain. Clean along hairline and jaw. Leftover cleanser can clog pores. Step 13. Pat dry with a clean towel. Never rub the face dry. Use a soft towel, pat gently, keep towel clean and dry. Rubbing causes irritation and microtears. Step 14. Assess the skin. Look closely, check for redness, notice dryness or oiliness, observe clogged pores. This helps adjust the next steps. Step 15. Apply a gentle toner, optional. Toner helps balance skin pH, remove leftover impurities, refresh the skin. Apply using cotton pad or clean hands. Step 16. Focus on pore areas. Apply toner lightly on nose, chin, forehead. Avoid alcohol-based toners if skin is sensitive. Step 17. Exfoliation. 1 to 2 times a week only. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells. Use mild exfoliant. Avoid daily exfoliation. Massage gently. Over-exfoliation damages the skin barrier. Step 18. Rinse after exfoliation. Remove exfoliant completely. Use lukewarm water. Pat dry gently. Skin may feel smoother and fresher. Step 19. Steam, optional deep cleansing step. Facial steam helps open pores, loosen dirt and oil. Limit steam to 5 to 10 minutes only. Step 20. Rest the skin after steaming. After steaming, let skin cool naturally. Do not touch or squeeze. Skin is sensitive at this stage. Step 21. Blackhead softening, optional. Apply a gentle softening gel or warm towel. Helps loosen clogged pores. Prepares skin for extraction. Only professionals should perform extractions. Step 22. Avoid squeezing pimples. Never force blackheads or pimples. Causes scars, leads to infection, increases inflammation. Patience protects the skin. Step 23. Apply a calming mask, optional. Use masks based on skin needs. Clay mask for oily skin, hydrating mask for dry skin, soothing mask for sensitive skin. Leave on as directed. Step 24. Remove mask gently. Rinse mask thoroughly. No residue. Pat dry. Skin should feel refreshed, not tight. Step 25. Apply a hydrating serum. Serums deliver nutrients, hyaluronic acid for hydration, niacinamide for balance, vitamin C for brightness. Apply with light tapping motions. Step 26. Allow serum to absorb. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. Do not rub. Let skin absorb naturally. This improves effectiveness. Step 27. Apply moisturizer. Moisturizer seals hydration. Choose light gel for oily skin, cream for dry skin. Apply evenly across face and neck. Step 28. Massage moisturizer gently. Use upward motions. Improve circulation. Relaxes facial muscles. Avoid dragging the skin. Step 29. Don't forget the neck. Neck skin ages quickly. Clean it. Moisturize it. Treat it gently. Extend all skincare steps downward. Step 30. Daytime sun protection. If it's daytime, apply sunscreen. Use SPF 30 or higher. Sun protection prevents aging and pigmentation. Step 31. Avoid touching the face. Touching spreads bacteria, causes breakouts, irritates skin. Let skincare work undisturbed. Step 32. Stay hydrated. Drink enough water. Supports skin health. Improves elasticity. Healthy skin starts from inside. Step 33. Clean tools regularly. Clean brushes, sponges, towels. Dirty tools cause acne. Step 34. Maintain a consistent routine. Consistency matters more than products. Cleanse daily. Moisturize daily. Protect daily. Results take time. Step 35. Avoid harsh products. Avoid strong alcohol, heavy fragrance, harsh scrubs. Gentle care preserves skin health. Step 36. Listen to your skin. If skin feels burning, tight, painful, stop and simplify your routine. Step 37. Nighttime cleansing importance. Night cleansing removes pollution, oil, makeup. Never sleep with a dirty face. Step 38. Sleep and skin repair. Sleep allows skin to repair, renew, restore moisture. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Step 39. Healthy diet for skin. Eat foods rich in vitamins, antioxidants, healthy fats. Skin reflects nutrition. Step 40. Avoid overwashing. Washing too often strips natural oils, causes dryness. Cleanse twice daily only. Step 41. Be patient with results. Skin improvement takes weeks. Do not rush. Do not overdo. Slow care gives lasting results. Step 42. Seasonal skin adjustments. Change routine based on weather. More hydration in winter. Lighter products in summer. Skin needs change over time. Step 43. Stress management. Stress affects skin, causes breakouts, increases sensitivity. Relaxation improves skin health. Step 44. Avoid picking skin. Picking causes scars, dark spots, infection. Let skin heal naturally. Step 45. Hygiene matters. Change pillowcases regularly, reduces bacteria, prevents acne. Clean surroundings help skin. Step 46. Minimalism in skincare. More products not equal to better skin. Simple routines work best. Step 47. Observe long-term changes. Notice texture improvement, reduced breakouts, balanced oil. These indicate healthy skin. Step 48. Professional help when needed. For severe acne or irritation, consult a dermatologist. Professional guidance is important. Step 49. Respect skin sensitivity. Sensitive skin needs fewer products, gentle ingredients. Less is more. Step 50. End of daily routine. Finish your routine calmly. Let product settle. Avoid touching. Your skin is now clean and protected. Proper skincare cleaning is not about force or harsh treatments. It is about gentle, consistent, and mindful care. Clean skin supports confidence, comfort, long-term skin health. Treat your skin with patience, respect, and balance, and it will reward you with clarity, calmness, and natural glow.